Today we're going to talk about project management. Project management is a process of leading work of a team to achieve project goals to a set of constraints. The constraints are usually set by the client or project sponsor at the beginning of a project. Project constraints are usually scope, time and budget. In project management, it is accepted that there are 5 common work stages that run consecutively. We have the initiation stage, the planning stage, the execution stage, the monitoring and controlling stage, and then lastly, the closing out stage. Good project managers possess a mix of hard skills and soft skills. Great project managers possess and excel in soft skills. So what are hard skills? Hard skills are the technical skills and the technical implementation of project management. So we have planning and programming, which is the scheduling of tasks and activities. We have risk management, which is identifying risk and looking at ways to reduce, minimise or mitigate the risk. We have contract practice, which is understanding building contracts as well as the administration side of the contracts. We have procurement and tendering, which is procuring the building contractor and the different methods of procurement, as well as the tendering of the work before we get to the contract stage. And then lastly, we have the project finance, which is understanding the budget, how that will be delivered through cost plans, right the way through to a contract sum. And then there's the soft skills. We have interpersonal skills. That's the ability to socially interact, communicate and collaborate with your team. We have emotional intelligence, and that's the ability to understand and implement and control your emotions in a positive way. And then we have influencing and negotiating, which is the ability to change other people's views, opinions, behaviours and reach an outcome that's positive to the project. We have communication, which is the ability to write or verbally express your views or messages in a positive way. And then we have teamworking, which is the ability to cooperate and collaborate with the wider team and project stakeholders. The answer is yes and no. For smaller, less complex projects, you might find the client will undertake the role, or there might be another professional on the project, such as an architect or an engineer, that can supplement the work they're doing with some project management. What you'll find is project management is applicable to all projects that have a common goal and outcome. For projects of a certain value, complexity, involving a significant investment or of a high importance to the client will usually involve a project manager. The project manager might be directly employed by the client, or the client might use an external consultancy. Good project managers possess a mix of soft skills and hard skills, whereas great project managers excel in soft skills. Simply put, soft skills cannot be acquired or obtained from a classroom or through a certificate. The same goes for hard skills to a more or lesser extent. In my opinion, experience will always triumph qualifications when it comes to project management. However, being professionally qualified and having the experience is obviously a win-win. Project managers can professionally qualify through the RICS, the APM, the CIOB or other professional institutes, and can also study at an undergraduate, graduate and postgraduate level. So I do hope you found value in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and we really do look forward to hearing from you.